Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your AMD device is not working. Select display adapters here, right click, go to update driver and search automatically. If that works, just go browse your computer, select let me pick, select this and then select next. If that doesn't still work, go to properties, driver and roll back driver. If that doesn't work for you, you just need to update your Windows. So go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates, and if there's an update, update your Windows, and it's just going to update your Windows and restart your PC. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.